So when you guys sign any song or any album, what are the non-negotiables for you? That ये है तो फिर तो मैं नहीं कर रही.
Like some people?
No, I
Not
mean
people.
whatever is written in the contract or maybe
Oh, like that.
when they are writing a song, maybe the lyrics. As per you guys, what is that one non-negotiable that if that thing is happening, I'm out of it?
I think it's, for a long time, I have been a part of everything. Like, every time somebody offers me a song, I'm on board, I'm on board, I'm on board. In fact, like, for both of us, 2015 would be probably the year we sang our first big movie song. Uske pehle there must be at least some 6-7 choti wali movies, B grade movies, C grade movies.
Yeah.
And there are a lot of like these movies,
Yeah.
regional movies that nobody even knows about. I don't
Bilkul.
think they even exist on YouTube anymore.
No, because we never asked for credit for so many times because we were just like, एक बार credit आ जाता है, then it's like in your Wikipedia, it's everywhere.
IMDb,
but there's
yes,
so many
yes.
things we've sung that we didn't want to be known for because that's not probably
A style
or
Yeah.
something. And
Yeah.
we were doing it for exposure and practice.
Yes,
but
I
then
understand.
there are lots of songs people have no idea that we've sung.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we
But
might be
now,
singing.
I think moving forward,
Yeah.
we would just love to be in love with the song. Like, I need to love it
Yeah.
To be on
to
board.
be
Yeah.
on board.
Yeah.
That's the only negotiable.
Perfect. And you same?
Same. I think initially I used to just I used to jump on a lot of projects to just have relationships with people,
Yeah.
like working relationships, so that I don't want to offend anyone when I say no. But I think because of that, I did a lot of things that I'm not proud of.
Yeah.
Creatively, of course. Like I don't
Yes.
agree to a certain sound or a track, but I did it anyway because I'm like, I'll sell my soul and sing it because I want to be known for more songs and I want a body of work. You
Yeah.
know, you're so hungry to make it
Yeah.
that you
correct.
just sing everything and anything.
Correct.
And I used to always feel like I'm too small to choose. But I feel like in the last few years, I've really been choosing my projects and just doing what I really believe in,
Yeah.
because then the result is something else.
For sure,
usually.
for sure. And coming back to Satir, it has already crossed 1 million on YouTube. So what's coming up next from you both?
So our next song, like I said, is on 9th May.
Yes.
Another collaboration with
Yes.
FPJ, which is going to be a very different, amazing travel song again, I guess, a little bit. And then the next one is on the 3rd June.
Yeah, it's quite back to back.
it's-
Oh,
it's
lovely.
Right after,
Yeah.
Okay. A few songs back-to-back releases.
Okay,
We
okay.
hope you all love them as much as we do.
Please go on YouTube and type Satir and
just subscribe to our channel.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, let's begin there.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for
Thank
the
you
lovely
so
time.
much.
All the
Thank
best
you
for the
so
future. Thank you.